we move on. This is a definite integral. Definite integral, remember in the other video we were talking about indefinite integral. It had no limits. What I mean, it had no limits. As you can see, there's nothing here, there's nothing here, no number here, so it had no limits. But for this one, it has limits. There's a 1, there's a 0, right? There's a 1 and a 0. So this one is the upper limit, this one we call it the lower limit. So they're saying evaluate. Now how are you able to picture? How do you picture this 1 and 0? Let me give you a scenario where the 1 and 0 can come from. For example, we can have a Cartesian plane x, y. Then let's assume we have this one is y is equal to x to the power 3, the curve. Then here we have maybe 3, here we have a 2. Then they are saying find the area of the shaded part. So as you can see, we can rewrite this as the upper limit, the higher number is 3, the lower one is 2, so we call them upper limit, lower limit. Then we write that with respect to x. So upper limit, lower limit, meaning higher number, lower number, in this way. Picture it in this way. Okay, so we move on. So here we have a 1 and a 0. Evaluate. So all the time, make sure you show the powers and the letter x on each number given. So here there's x, meaning you show that there's power. Here where there is no x, you put x and put power 0, and then you close with respect to x, like that. Then we differentiate, we integrate. All the time we add 2 plus 1 over the same 2 plus 1. And here 1 plus 1, it is plus 1 by the way. Integration, it also means sum divided by the same. And here you do the same over the same. Then you write these brackets, the upper limit to be here, the lower limit to be here. So next step, we simplify. That is a 3 over 3, that is a 2 over a 2, that is 0 plus 1 is 1 over 0 plus 1, 1. 1, 0. Next step, if we were to simplify further, we know that a 2 and a 2 is possible. They will cancel. It means a 2 can go into 2. Then we know that 3x to the power 1, x to the power 1 same as x. So like here, let's start with this one, is x squared, which has remained. Then here x to the power 1 is x times 3. You still have this 1 into that is the same. 1 into anything is that thing. So 1 into 3x is 3x. Then you still have these limits. So next step, you replace with a 1 where there's x. So when we replace with a 1 where there's x, to be like this. Also this side we replace with a 0 to also be like that. You minus all the time once you have the definite integral like this. So let's do it. Where there's x we put 1, so 1 to the power 3 over 3, 1 to the power 2, and here 3 times 1. Where there's x we'll put 1, 1, 1. This side where there's x we'll put 0, put 0 over 3, put 0, put 0 to be like that. So 1 to the power 3, it means 1 times 1 times 1, it will be just 1 over 3. It will be just 1, meaning 1 over 3. 1 squared, it means 1 times 1, which is 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Now, picture this. 0 to the power, these are just 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, zeros. No matter how many times you can simplify to give you a 0. This will be a 0, 3 into 0, 0, 0 squared 0, times 0, 0. So this will be 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0, 0. Right? So some people don't even write this because they know it will be a 0. Now, we have this one. This one is 1 over 3. This is negative 4. Right? This one goes. Minus 0 is nothing, so don't write it down. Now, we look for the, we also make it a fraction. 1 over 3 minus negative 4. This is negative 4. If you want, you can just punch on your calculator. 1 over 3, the answer minus 1 minus 3. Still, you get the same. Paper 2, you are allowed to use the calculator. So here you look for the common denominator, which is a 3. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 1, 1 minus 1 into 3. That is 3. 3 times 4, you get a 12, right? So 1 minus 12, what are you going to get? That is the negative 11 over 3, of which positive into negative, negative 3 into 11, how many times? It's 9. Sorry, not 9, it's 3. It's 3, so to go there will be 9, meaning remainder 2. So 3 into 11, you get a 3, meaning 3 times 3 you have 9. What's the remainder from 11? That is 2 over the same 3. So if you wanted, you would have just punched from here, from your calculator, or from the beginning here, from this level. At this level, you can punch still. You'll be marked. So this is what you're supposed to do when you are when you are integrating such a question with limits. With limits 1, 0.